Today is a super huge day as Spotify just released Spotify Canvas to all artists. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Spotify Canvas videos to your songs, whether it's on your computer or on your phone. And super quick, if you don't know what Spotify Canvas are, these are them. So they are a super awesome visual that you can add to your songs to give your listeners a better listening experience. Not only do these make your videos look cooler, but Spotify themselves say that it increases your overall engagement rates by 20%, which is huge. So now that this is accessible to all artists, you have to be on top of this and adding Canvas to your songs as soon as possible. With that being said, if this is your first time stopping by the channel, my name is Mike Durante. I run a music marketing agency where we help artists generate genuine fans through the power of Facebook and Instagram advertising. Now that I got that out the way, let's dive on into this video and show you how to set up your Spotify Canvas. So with the rare case that you don't already have Spotify Canvas, I'm going to leave this link in the description where you will be able to apply. But as Spotify's Twitter said today, it has now been rolled out to the majority of artists. So if you do actually have it, to find it, you would have to go to your Spotify for Artists profile, head over to the music section, and then on any of your songs, you will see in this top corner, Manage Canvas. So to actually put up a canvas, and I will just remove the one that I currently have, to do this, you just have to click this button right here that says Add Canvas, and then you click this plus icon, and then you go here, select your video, upload it, and the video needs to be in a 9:6 aspect ratio, at least 720p, and span from 3 to 8 seconds. Luckily, on the mobile version, you can actually trim the video, but if not, you just have to quickly trim the video before uploading it. Once it is uploaded, you can check a preview on the iPhone X, and then just click Next. You have to read through their terms, agree to the terms, and then upload it. And we see here it is processing. It'll take a minute or so for it to actually process. So now that it is uploaded and posted, you may just need to wait about an hour for it to show up on all of your listeners' Spotify's, but you have now set up a Canva through the computer Spotify for Artists, and now let me show you how to set it up on mobile. So the first thing you have to do to set it up on a mobile device is click on the Spotify for Artists app, and then scroll and select on the song that you would like to add the canvas to. In this case, you just saw that I already uploaded the canvas, so now we're going to replace it with another one to show you how to do it on mobile. So we would click Edit Canvas, and then this will pull up the video that we just uploaded on the computer. We are going to click Edit, and then we are going to do Create New Canvas. Spotify will allow us to choose the artwork, and I am just going to select a random video. So you just select this video, click Next, Review Canvas, you just have to agree to the terms, and then post it. And Spotify will tell you that it's uploading, and then once you actually get the green light that it is posted, it'll process, and yet again, it will take an hour for it to upload to everyone. But with that being said, that is the process of adding Canvas to your videos. It is super simple and yet extremely powerful. I highly recommend you do it. And for some reason, if you can't find your Canvas, I'm going to leave a link below where you can go to Spotify's section on their website. And as well, if you do have any further questions, have some issues, or wondering what content you want to do, I'm also going to leave my email down below. Please feel free to reach out to me, as it is my goal to help any artist in any way, shape, or form that I possibly can. With that being said, if you did enjoy the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked, comment with some feedback, and potentially subscribe to the channel, as we have a lot more music marketing content rolling out over the course of the next few months. If you did want to learn anything more about advanced media and how we are helping artists generate genuine fans and be put on the best pathway to achieve their dreams, check the advanced media link down below, as you will be able to learn a lot more there. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.